In this video, we will cook this tasty and very beautiful salad with zucchini and white radish. To cook the salad for this recipe, we will use the following products: celery, a few stems, zucchini 1 piece, white radish 1 piece, black currant, parsley, dill, cilantro, linseed oil, soybean oil, salt to taste. Cooking process. Please rate this video if you like it or even if you don't like. Your opinion is very important for me. Stay with us. To subscribe to the channel, click on the circle with my photo in the center of the screen and to the bell to receive notification of the release of new videos at the channel. This is especially true when new videos with gifts and contests for the channel audience appear. See you soon in new videos. Stay with us.